Plumbing issues? You're not the only one. Regardless of just how easy it is to solve a lot of pipe troubles, many people do not know exactly how to fix their own easy plumbing problems. If you are just one of these people, as well as would like to prevent calling a plumber for the surface, continue watching to learn just how to become a pipe specialist. If you have a clogged drain pipe, don't make use of cleansing chemicals to try to clear the obstruction. These rough chemicals can rust your steel pipes, resulting in leakages as well as damaged pipelines with time. Rather, stick to a plunger or take advantage of a pipe snake to clear them. When handling pipes issues that is outside the house, understand that all of it is not yours to fix. The city is accountable for part of these pipes, so don't do repair services on it unless it is on your own property. If the job is done improperly, you can be held liable for any kind of damages. Before embarking on a home plumbing project, make certain that you're aware of where the shutoff valve for the water in your house is, in addition to the valves for shutting down sinks, toilets, and so on. This is so if something goes wrong, you'll be able to stop the water from causing more damage than you need. To maintain your drains moving easily and also devoid of substances and also accumulation, put a 50% mug of baking soda soft drink followed by a cup of white vinegar down each drain once a month. The combination of these will break up clogs and will help push the debris. This isn't a fix-all option, but it may work before you have to contact a plumber for their expert assistance. You can follow this solution with a pot of boiling water for extra cleansing power. Plumbing issues aren't so hard to deal with when you understand exactly how to fix fundamental plumbing issues. Keep in mind, it's always best to have a well-trained plumbing professional work on your pipes and other plumbing problems. Give us a call now